Hi guys, Odonil has come up with new neem blocks. So in this video, I'm going to show you Odonil Neem Air Freshener blocks review. So this Odonil Neem block is 48 grams and MRP is rupees 60, but it's available at Amazon for rupees 50. Pack says that this will last for 30 days. We will actually see if it lasts for 30 days or not. And it's available in two different fragrances. This product is from Dabur. To use, remove this outer pack, paper pack, keep it safely. And here you see this foil packaging, cut out the foil pouch, and here we have our square shaped Odonil block. Unlike the white usual Odonil blocks, this one is light green in color and there are neem leaves which are visible on the block. This block will evaporate over a period of time. You can see these holes on the paper pack. From there the fragrance will come out. Now place block back in the pack. You can hang it conveniently or else you can keep it simply. And this block has moderate fragrance. So if you keep the washroom door closed and whenever you enter the washroom, you can feel the nice and gentle fragrance. It's ideal for washroom. Now let us see how many days it actually lasts. So on the day 1, block full square. On the day 11, block is almost half. And on the 21st day, it's only this much left. I think it will last for another 3-4 days. So the brand claimed 30 days longevity, but it actually worked like 24-25 days. So if we compare these blocks with Odonil white blocks, these neem blocks are much better. This works well for the washroom, shoe rack, kitchen, and the fragrance is decent enough. So you can give it a try and subscribe for more videos.